Can we get into my eyes only without passcode? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if I can get into my eyes only without a passcode. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is of obviously opening up our Snapchat. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now swipe up once, and after you swipe up, you can see my eyes only on the top right side. So tap on it and you should be here. Now normally when you type in the password for your my eyes only, it will take you to a secret folder where you can store your snaps and pictures. Now it's a really private folder. Without the password you cannot actually access it. So if in case you've forgotten your passcode and you want to get into my eyes only without the passcode, there is actually no way you can do that without not losing your old snaps and videos. So you can actually reset your password by tapping on this option right here. Tap on it and tap on forgot password. After you do that, you can enter your password for your Snapchat and then reset the password. But your old snaps will get deleted. As you can see from Snapchat supports right here, my eyes only as an extra layer of protection, and whenever you delete or reset your old password, every data that it was previously in my eyes only will get deleted. So yeah, I hope this video was informative for you guys, and now you know that you cannot get into my eyes only without passcode. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.